Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. We will present the GV that will be sent by Sasha to a company. Our group consists of Ahmad Maududi Azmi by me, and then Fayat Al-Baiti, M. Fajrin, and Mutiara Rahmanda Tri Rizkia. Okay, next. In this presentation, we will present 3 points. The first point is job ads, job vacancies or job vacancies information for those who are looking for work according to their specification. The second point is application letter. In this point, make an application letter to apply for a job to the target company. The last point is GV ATS. This point make an ATS GV that describes a person's personality. Next. I will explain the first point. The first point is job ads. We choose this job at first because we saw that Sasha's qualifications were very good. If we look at the job at first we choose, this company needs someone who has 5 until 10 years of work experience in UE and UX. Then Sasha has some experience in UE and UX issues. She was vice chairman position in a Malaysian organization for about 5 years, and she has been working at Apple for 6 years. We think that Sasha qualification has met the criteria required by the company. We found the job ads from Glints.com, and kind of job being offered is lead product designer or about UE and UX. And from that job ads, we found a job description like this. Karo is on a mission to redefine what car ownership is and transform the way that people and business across Asia interact with one another to get the cars they need. Our digital platforms are game changers in automotive trading industry, seamlessly integrating the buying and selling user journeys for speed, efficiency, and transparency. We are looking for a lead product designer who are passionate about weaving design elements together to help our users navigate our product seamlessly. You will not settle for just beautiful design, but also meaningful and impactful user experience. You'll be at the forefront of designing human interaction and redefine how our users interact with our product. Sounds like you? Come and have a chat with us. That about job description. And then in that job ads, the company wrote what will excited the company. The first point is team lead experience. The company needs someone who have experience leading a small team of UI and UX designers with hands-on approach. And the second point is someone who are a creator through and through. Someone have hands-on experience working with B2C and B2B product. The last point that the company excited is someone who robust portfolio that showcase someone personal professional projects, doodles, set projects in visual and user experience design. And the company also write what someone will do if someone get the job at that company. The first is lead and define the design initiative for our web and mobile application across various. The second is daily collaboration with cross-functional teams like designers, product managers, engineers, business stakeholders to build intuitive user experience that delivers the intended business result. Then disseminate high-level design strategies to the design team. The next, leverage on your wealth of experience and knowledge to conduct design research and define the design strategies. Then coach, mentor, and lead a team of junior designer. And the last is constantly improving and keeping up with the latest design trends. That's from me. And next presentation will be presented by Mutiara.
Thank you, Asmi. Now I will explain job ads requirements in Karo company. That is first point, bachelor degree in information system or related field or outstanding design skill. Second point, at least 7 years of hands-on experience in web and mobile application product design, a mix of consumer and business-facing products in a user-centric design environment. Then creative direction experience is highly desirable. For point, team lead or project management experience is advantageous. And solid design philosophy with strong understanding and practical approach to user interface and user experience design. Then solid A for the tiles, visual design, and hands-on experience in UI design. Then working knowledge of commonly used front-end web development and mobile development technologies. And last, excellent communication, teamwork, leadership skill. Next, procedure of how to apply in Karo company. That is 1, read and apply on the website. 2, create cleans.com and fill out all personal data. And 3, answer the question of the company and tell. Next, company information in Karo company. Karo is an automotive marketplace that offers a full-stack service for all aspects of car ownership by offering a trustworthy and transparent experience. Karo challenges the traditional way of buying and selling of cars through a property pricing algorithm. Karo also provides a range of services that offer everything a car owner needs throughout their car ownership journey, such as an in-house financing solution, warranty option, and Singapore's first on-demand roadside recovery platform. Next, additional info about the company in Karo company. That 1, head office in Singapore, industry, automotive, and 5 weeks benefit and conditional of work. Weeks benefit and condition of work offered, including hours of work, will overall be at least comparable to those offered by equivalent employers in the relevant country or region and sector concrete. Overtime work or be voluntary and will be performed and compensated in accordance with national laws. Then, 5 weeks benefit and conditional of work in Karo company. That is 1, health and dental insurance coverage. 2, discount for amenities such as gym membership and telecommunication plans. 3, team building fund. 4, employee discount for car purchase, servicing, financing, or subscription from Karo. And last, financial sponsorship for self-development course to encourage lifelong learning. Next will be presented by Fajrin.
Okay, thank you very much for Rara. Okay, now I will explain the application letter. Next. The first thing I did when they wanted to make an application was given the information about his own contact to be contacted. And then give you a day to write. And then I made a paper destination that I will go to hire the needed a job like putting in a company address. In the production of the application letter, if we did not know the hire the name of the company, we use a sentence hiring manager. Henceforth, we will immediately provide information that where and when did we find the job advertisement in glints.com. We got and with the job position is for. It has been explained the job street records employees and lead product designer position UI or UX. After confirming this, Sasha will describe that he is very suitable for the job offered and a description of his work experience at the Apple company for 6 years, and then describe the work he did, such as creating mock-up, colorful website, and application design. And he explained that he had received certificate from Coursera and LinkedIn. Furthermore, Sasha explained that he had joined the organization as vice chairman in Malaysia for 5 years, where he told there is a consideration for HRD, namely to strengthen and highlight himself to be actively in the company to be apply for. The last paragraph is say to thank you so much and asking for the opportunity to join the Caro company. And then he has attached a CV to describe himself in the title. And then greetings on behalf of Sasha Jen Prunger. Next will be present by Fayad.
Okay, thank you, Fajrin. And next, I will present ATS TV. Next. We can see in the CV, there is Sasha TV, and her applied for UI UX Illustrator. And then contacted to her. And the summary, Sasha is a discipline-friendly and hardworking nature with 11 years of experience in the UI UX Illustrator field. And Sasha graduated from Johor University, Malaysia by taking the graphic design study program. And her worked at the Apple for 6 years as a UI UX illustrator. And her experience in making mock-up, design application, and create colorful website. And Sasha familiar with HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, and Python. And have the ability to use tools for designing such as Sketch, Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign, and so on. And her experience in Apple, California as a UI UX illustrator in 2017 until 2022. She has done design mock-up for Safari app, design the appearance of the App Store website, and creating an Apple design with an eye-catching appearance that is easy for a user to use. And her education in Johor University, Malaysia, and they take graphic design in 2005 until 2008, and And Sasha has joined the organization Alap Labs in Malaysia as vice chairman of the organization in 2010 until 2015. He has done as vice head of UI UX supervisor on MI3 application development project and as the vice head supervisor for the UI UX work on the Dash app application development project. And then Sasha has received certification, Coursera UX Designer Certification, Google Career Certificate, and LinkedIn Certificate. And Sasha has a technical skill that are advanced in word framing, icon design, illustration design, prototyping, motion design, usability, testing, UI review. And her soft skill there are define user requirements, user flow, text flow, leadership, adaptability, confidence, communicative, being able to team up, critical thinking, and networking. And her language is English for native. Okay, that's the presentation from our group. And sorry if there are any wrong words. And thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.